Hi guys, today we are going to be unboxing this Dora the Explorer miniature kitchen set. I am so excited and it is so big. So let's get started. So here is the kitchen set from this side. Here we have like the other playset. This one I have. This is the refrigerator set, and this is the kitchen set I have. And this is the power side of the kitchen set, which open. So let's open this thing up. So here is this happy birthday name, and this is 2. So let's open it up. I am so excited for this unboxing. Let's pull it out. Here I'm having it pulled out. Okay, let's pull out this kitchen set. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be fun. Here, out of the box. This is how this kitchen set looks like. Here we have an accessories. Oh, it's tape. So let me remove the tape. So I take from the top. Come off. And tape from here as well. Here we have the, let's see what it is. Okay, it's stapled, so let me try to open it off camera. Got that open. So here we have this little cake display, which the top does open, but the cake is fixed. We have here carrots, it's lemon, 2 of them, and orange, and bananas. We also got this nice watermelon, which is really cute. This is what we got in the accessories from this. There's more accessories on the top. So yeah, it does open up. So let's take these out. Oh my gosh, this looks cute. Come out. Okay, it's taped just there. There. There's a fun sticker background. So now, okay, they're all pinned. So let me remove their pins. We have a jar of grape, looks jam, and we have like a little ketchup, I guess. I don't know. In the first packy. Now let's open this one. So now we have this little tray. Surprisingly, everything was like off, and the some here and is not a real drawer, but the cabinets are 100% real with tons and tons of storage. So I'm going to store everything inside and then show you. Everything perfectly fit, and I saw that there were even mini plates. So from a set, they're like mini plates, pots, tray, and so much to play with. I wasn't expecting that much. And I thought the things that would be on the tray would like be stuck, but I didn't think that they would give such nice details. So I'm really liking this playset. I like the backdrop here, and I'm so curious to know if this set fits Barbies. So I have here my Barbie doll. Hi Chloe, hi. So it looks like the perfect size for her. She can reach the gap and she can clean the dishes and stuff. So guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye!